In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Jira and access your team's site securely. If you've ever been slowed down by login loops, forgotten site links, or authentication prompts that seem to go on forever, this walkthrough will help you get in smoothly and with confidence. Jira's login process is designed to be secure, but once you understand the flow, it becomes very simple. To begin, open your preferred web browser and click into the address bar at the top. If you already know your company's Jira site address, type it in using the standard format, yourcompany.atlassian.net. Then press enter. If you don't know your exact site address, don't worry. You can go instead to id.atlassian.com, which takes you to Atlassian's central sign-in page and helps you start from there. Once the login page appears, look for the field labeled Enter Email. Type in your work or registered email address carefully and take a moment to check for spelling mistakes before moving on. A small typo here can stop the process before it even starts. After that, click Continue. Next, Jira will recognize your account and show you the next authentication step. If your account uses a password, click into the password field and enter it carefully. If your organization supports passkeys, you may also see the option to sign in with a passkey instead. That can let you use a fingerprint scanner, security key, or device-based authentication, which is often faster and more secure than typing a password manually. If your company manages access through a provider such as Google or Microsoft, there may be an even quicker route. Below the main sign-in area, look for options like Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft. Select the one your organization uses, then choose the correct work account if prompted. This will send you through your company's secure single sign-on process without needing a separate Jira password. After your main sign-in is accepted, you may be asked to complete two-factor authentication. This is a normal security step. Check your phone for an authentication prompt or open your Authenticator app to retrieve the temporary 6-digit code. Enter the code into the verification field, then click Verify. Once that is complete, Jira will load your dashboard. Before you continue working, do a quick visual check to make sure everything looks right. Confirm that your profile icon appears in the top right corner, your project list is visible in the sidebar, and your sprint board or dashboard loads properly without errors. At that point, you're signed in and ready to work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.